Is your Microsoft VB6 apps broken by the Microsoft Add-in Designer DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we look at the manual steps for Microsoft Add-in Designer, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Microsoft Add-in Designer, the Microsoft Add-in Designer library for Visual Basic 6.0, providing templates and event frameworks for extending the VB6 IDE and macro environments. It supports legacy extensibility models. If missing, VB6-based extensions or macro-enabled tools may fail with errors like compile error in hidden module. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scannow in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Microsoft Add-in Designer DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Microsoft Add-in Designer component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Microsoft Add-in Designer DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Microsoft Add-in Designer. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Microsoft Add-in Designer workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.